Ever wondered why we yawn? It's not just when you're tired or bored. Yawning is a reflexive action characterized by a deep inhalation and prolonged exhalation, often accompanied by stretching. Contrary to popular belief, yawning isn't solely linked to oxygen deficiency. It occurs even when oxygen levels are sufficient. One theory suggests that yawning helps regulate brain temperature, cooling it down when necessary. Another theory is that yawning can signal drowsiness, preparing the body for a transition to a state of alertness. Yawning is also known to be socially contagious, triggered by seeing or hearing others yawn. While the exact reasons remain a puzzle, yawning is a fascinating aspect of human behavior. Subscribe to Health Intellect for more facts and tips.